Ever wondered how a simple chunk of concrete turns into the backbone of a modern building? Today, we're diving into the life cycle of a precast concrete element from creation to completion. The life cycle of a precast concrete element contains the following steps. Step 1. Design. It all begins at the drawing board. Engineers and architects design the element based on structural needs, load capacity, and site specs. Step 2. Mold preparation. Next, we move to the factory. Workers prepare reusable molds, cleaned, oiled, and customized based on the design. Step 3. Reinforcement placement. Steel reinforcement, or rebar, is placed inside the mold to give the element its tensile strength. Step 4. Concrete pouring and curing. Concrete is poured into the mold, vibrated to remove air bubbles, then cured with steam or heat to gain early strength. Step 5. Demolding. Once cured, the formwork is carefully removed. The element is checked for cracks, defects, and dimensions. Step 6. Transportation. After passing quality checks, the precast elements are loaded onto trucks with care and shipped to the construction site. Step 7. Installation. At the site, cranes lift the elements into place. Workers align, level, and secure them like a giant Lego set. Step 8. In use and beyond. The element now supports lives in homes, hospitals, or offices. And decades later, it may be recycled into aggregates or reused in landscaping. So that's the full life cycle, from factory to forever. Want more real-world construction insights? Smash the like button and subscribe for weekly videos. Tell us in the comments, what surprised you most about precast concrete?